What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to today's NA meeting, where we will discuss the economic data for the week, the day's technical analysis, the trading opportunities we took on today's stream, and build a game plan for tomorrow's price action. And if you haven't done so already, you can show your support by subscribing to the channel. And with that said, let's jump into the charts now. This is tomorrow's data. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. And we have a big block of news scheduled for tomorrow, so let's jump into it. At 7:30, we have news with a focus on the New York Empire State Manufacturing Index. At 8:15, we have the industrial production and capacity utilization. At 9 o'clock, we have the 5-year consumer inflation expectation and the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. At 12, we have some crude news. And at 3:30, we have some CFTC data. And now that we know what to expect, let's jump into the charts and create a game plan for tomorrow's price action. This is the block of price action that we traded during today's stream. And from last night's NA meeting, you can see that the bulls pushing it into this area, breaking it, bears pushing it lower, the bulls failing to push price higher and pushing price violently down. You can also see that price got pushed into this support area. The bulls finding support, pushing price higher, retesting the bottom of this range. The bulls failing to push price higher and the bears taking price lower. The bulls finding support, pushing price higher again, retesting the shoulder, and the bears pushing price lower, breaking yesterday's lows. Now here's what I'm looking for going into tomorrow. As you can see, price double bottom at this area. The bears pushed it past this area, breaking yesterday's low, pushing price higher into the end of the session. Now, I do believe the bulls will actually push price even further. I do expect a pullback. I expect a pullback somewhere in this area and a push higher, retesting this area of resistance. As you can see, this area of resistance is in close proximity to yesterday's area of resistance. So I do believe that the bulls will push past this. Stops will get ran, which will push price higher. And tomorrow is Free Cash Friday, so the Nasdaq usually runs. So I'm going to be looking out for that for tomorrow. And with that said, let's jump into a CL chart. Now this is a CL chart. And after we got that range breakout from yesterday, price has been pushing higher. And currently, price is at resistance and we got to move down lower. Now here's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for price to pull back into this potential area of support. You can see that from yesterday's NA meeting, these levels are in close proximity that I drew out in last night's NA meeting. Obviously, price traded through it after breaking out, and I believe that this area of resistance will be used as support. So I'm going to be looking in this area for a potential bounce, for a move higher, to retest at least this high. But remember, this is just a game plan for tomorrow. I want to see the price action in pre-market, and that will determine my bias going into tomorrow's stream. Because we don't trade what we think, we trade what we see. Because the price action writes the story, the charts tell the story. And if you listen and trust in the setup, then you'll have a story. And here's my story. Today, I made a profit of $41. And as you can see, again, today, I fought trend. I did write in my journal towards the end of the stream, and here it is if you want to read it. But the main thing that I wanted to take away from today was actually trusting the structure. I did trade with my heart after a while. I did disregard areas of resistance. My bias blinded me from it. I traded with my heart today, and I disregarded the market structure on the charts. And this is something that I'm working on, and I will get better at my execution moving forward. And with that said, that's all I have. If you're enjoying these breakdowns and want insight on trading the Nasdaq intraday, then subscribe to the channel and join our live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community, and if you're tired of missing the best trades on the Nasdaq intraday, then join the live stream, join the Discord, join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.